My name is Dr. Andrew Campbell. I'm the Executive Director of the Global Leadership Education and Training Institute, and I have a Doctorate of Global Leadership, a Master's of Diplomacy in International Conflict Management and Terrorism, and I'm a TEDx speaker and a founder of the Global Leadership uh, Education and Training Institute and the Global Leaders Solutions. What we're going to do is this is going to be a very unique uh, program. What we're going to do is that we've developed the courses, we've developed the platform. The courses is from there's 15 digital ebooks and 10 online courses, but these courses are different. They're tailored. They are dealing with something that we have huge need with. The U.S. government spends, and its companies spends anywhere from 350 to 400 billion dollars a year on leadership development. And the thing is the problem is that we send people to the schoolings, and we send people to all these seminars, but the thing is that we learn it in our heads, and we've got it, and we get the certifications. But the thing is, when we get into the situations in real time situations in real areas that has a conflict, we go cold. And this whole project is developed. The idea is how to resolve organizational conflict using emotional intelligence principles. Now there is lots of capabilities out there. There's and you guys know this as much as I do. There's things in your glasses. Google's got that. You've got earpieces. You've got you've got there's all these capabilities that's out there. All these technologies that's out there. But there's nothing to pull it together to be able to look at the emotional state of a human being. And this is when you have conflict. Conflict is nothing more than an emotion. And the thing is that when you have that, it's like, how do you resolve that conflict with the other person to where it's mutual and it's good for both of you? The relationship maintains, okay? And so, but we get so focused on the problem that we forget about the relationship. And this is to look at the relationship. And for you, that's going to be a leader in your organizations. This is critical. This project is going to be so different because what you're doing is you're looking at what is the emotional pieces of the puzzle to solve the organization. And we're going to mix conflict resolution, leadership, emotional intelligence, and and AI. We're going to mix those all together and come up with a proof of concept, which we already have the capabilities. We've already got a lot of. This is not a chat box. Let me get that up front. It is not a chat box. This is an actual capability that leaders at the strategic level and at the operational level, you went from a director right up to the CEO of a company, can utilize this capability to be able to look at and how to mitigate that conflict, how to bring about conflict that is that's good for the organization, that builds people up. It creates a psychological safe environment, and you are going to be in the cusp of where when you can sit there and say, I helped develop. I remember doing this when I was in college and when I was doing my master's or my senior level college. And I had an input on how this capability is going to develop the next generation of leaders. Not only that, it's also going to help you as a person to develop you as you go into your next job, as you go into your jobs that is going to make you either a leader or is going to make you a person that is training to be a leader, or you just want to become a leader yourself. Because if you can't lead others unless you can lead yourself. And this is going to teach how to lead yourself within emotional intelligence, using that self-awareness, the self-regulation, having the impulse control. How do you resolve those conflicts in real time? And having that feedback, that real time feedback mechanism to help you understand and help you address those issues. What's the other person feeling and understanding, and then what you are feeling and you are understanding. There's nothing out there that's nobody's studying this at all. Nobody's building this to solve a major problem. And I am so excited to have you to be a part of our team, to be able to sit there and actually contribute the valuable input that you have and the real world situations that you can bring us and that we can help and bring you. And so we're looking at a partnership, not just for a short term, but if you want it, it could be a long term, and it could be something that we could work together on. So I am looking forward, very much looking forward to having the opportunity to meet you, to have your contribution, because your contribution is valuable. We need that. We need to have what you bring to the table is unbelievable. And I know that. And we have the same thing, that we can help you as well as you can help us. And so I am, like I said, I am looking forward and so excited. And I think you'll be, when you actually get into this, that this is going to be something that's really going to have a major impact for you, and the impact that you can have upon other organizations. And just think, you may be in that organization that this capability is going to be a part of. And this way you can say, I helped develop that. And I think that's important and critical. And I'm so looking forward to it. Hope you have a good day. And I look forward to working with you.